for Yamakwaba Eba for that TV Ghana. And I said, they say no for that TV there. I said, no talk, and I said, Mika, not about TV so. Now, and the Kofi Agyei Senior High School, Omukoya, Omasabel Land, as I see so. I want my place, Pabri East Municipal. Now, you need to go for the Timicoya, Moko Century, and be as I say, a blue adjoining LMT so. National Sunset Mass Cruise, no first time I say, Omuko Billy, now Moko Century, and any my one, and Omodeba, as I see so. Now, Yasia Kano, and Tiabe, and Yama, a Bokoso video, a quite almost so there, a choir, and headmaster class better, a bedding commonia, running to you, and in Niama or Edema, a Kofi Agyei Senior High School. Try now, Yabba is here for that TV Ghana away when you subscribe, Bosso, never can abuswan, Yadamasi.
A school movement for no and a Nigeria Council, or Mama Monster, so just a Nigeria and Abba, a Kofi Agyei Senior High School. Now, said the cinema students in the Brunel, so the most support, echo, a Cape Coast, echo Boama, Jumadi and echo, so the students here, echo in Nano, a free, a Cape Coast, Abeland, this is here at the Utimus, a Nigeria and Omondi free Cape Coast at the Eba Kofi Agyei Senior High School. So the Sikayano, Afena, no Baby Dinkomo, near tea a sempotin pie, their course in some concern, who do I say, a course, Dibin to Crown and Kofi Agyei Nimsenka, Omukako Rini, National Science and Mass Quiz, no, or Montimi Amfa Cruama, Omo and a Benya Sans and Semina, a from and she said, oh, her bossy, Martha say, and Cofono, at the Anigia Pan, a teacher for now, a coin in our so at the Anigia ACHS, a order any Anigia and Omunano at the Babo Odum, our students in our so and no my dear Asia, and no Becassa, not yet tea and near my course. So now answer and say, when you subscribe my for that TV, I best say, on Sabo for that TV subscriptions never can be soon. Say anytime Biana, yet bill upload video, and also so on, sir, at me, I can't, oh, baby, Biara or one. Now, Yenimse Kofi Agyei dear, Emre Bebrena no school no, said the cinema, a buy and tell you. Or the compare schools or Mukusia Yana, as a Ebimbo Crown or Ebimose or Monana and a yes uncle Fui, as a Ebi Etimed debate 80 years and then the Heke home. Name mum a back of Agyei Jesus, as a Inferno 30 years crowna, Omudia and Chair. And to school away Yanana, Nasa, what to me, Abuya, a Frima, me who didn't tear as or Mono or Manage, now Kofi Agyei a reho. And to say Yaniaja, na say Kofi Agyei. Here say a Nigeria Cassia and a Baho, where students here a judge and Maya Mofe and Mrantia, just a Nigeria Council, a been to school no edda, na headmaster ed in a speech by a faculty headmaster also a speech and Naya Tea and Sama Okaye, Timoma in Team Rassis here.
You heard her. Is the person around? So we clap for her. Yeah. Actually spoke on our behalf and she spoke well. That they were there for nothing but to make history. And indeed, whether Kofi Agyei made a good history yesterday or not, you are all witness. Shall we put our hands together for the team and our men? So on behalf of management, because this delegation formed part of the team that went to form part of our great history, we are happy that they went to represent us. So if they are coming home, we have to meet them with joy. It's fair or not fair? We have to meet them with joy that they went to represent us. We saw them on television. They did very well. They represented us very well. And so if they are coming, we want to welcome all of them and say we thank them. Tomorrow, by God's grace, the contestants and the masters who took them will be coming. And once again, we will meet to interact with them, to welcome them in this manner. So this is nothing but appreciative welcome. It's nothing but appreciative welcome. Something we are doing to show our appreciation to them in a manner of welcoming them. So Sir Frank and the head of the delegation, your members here, members of staff, entire student body, entire members of this community, they are saying, we thank you, we salute you for going to represent us, and the history that you have made will forever remain to excite our joy in the school. So we thank you. Will you be able to give us a bit of the details of what happened yesterday? Because I believe we did not see everything.
Where Presec is meeting, that among all the contestants, it's only Presec they do not know their location. They decided they were not going to meet at Kikos, so they were in a hideout. Then they came. It's like all eyes were on Presec, and Presec lost. They went to protest. Every question that they lost, they went to protest. It's like they have all the key to every, and I'm sure with great work, Kofi Agyei will get there. He will get there. Yeah, we are not there yet. In fact, we asked them that they should not, we told them that they should not be happy. We are only 33 years old. Yeah. How old are you? They said they are 83. See, we are contesting with our grandfathers. And to all of you, for your love, for your support, we are very grateful. They did not disgrace us. Yeah. But in all, it is a great honor for us all. Thank you very much.